I'm Becca. I work for Pazzo's Pizza Pub. I'm a bartender, server. I would say it's honestly a very laid-back, fun job to have. I love to talk to people. I'm very personable, so I really like to just be able to come in and talk to customers, especially I love beer, so coming in here and just being able to talk to customers about all the beer we have and different things, it's just like it's a cool thing to do. I've worked at a couple other just like more corporate restaurants, and this is just a totally different environment to work in. It's a lot more laid back. Again, like it's just a very different atmosphere here. It's just a much cooler place to work, I think, than a lot of like other restaurants here locally.
Working in a kitchen, it's kind of an adrenaline rush. You get really busy and it's a sort of stressful job, and I love the family sort of mentality that you get from working in those kind of conditions with each other. And then, having a tactile product to put out, something that you can be proud of and other people are going to enjoy and that you're making other people happy. I really like those aspects of the job.